This is that 310K EP that I demoed. It's back here at the yard again. It's got the Goodyear tires on it.
This is the exact one?
Yeah, it's the same machine that we demoed. And
how come these are here?
open ROPS. He had it out on a rental the other day. Yeah, that teeth got marred up a little bit. Wow, man. So that's 7.5 cubic foot. .5. Let's see if we can find a cab machine. You got a big road grader over here, 672G road grader.
Ew, Dad, look. Look. There's a dead cricket.
Yeah, it's a grasshopper. There's a 544. Just doing a little video of the way the inside of this cab is set up.
Yeah.
It's got the latch over there, the handle, and that window, rear window. Check and see how it's seamed in there. All the way down to the bottom. And the pin holder, the glass. The sides.
Don't show the mirror.
And then there's that 310K EP that was we demoed. But thanks for watching the video, and y'all have a good one, and God bless.